I think we are ready to begin. So a portfolio, this is basically I want to take shortest time possible. We are doing a recording of this video. We'll later upload it. You can follow it baadaye. So a portfolio, this is basically you having to put your files in a more digital way, in a more digital manner. Instead of us carrying around working with files, you can be updating your files at the comfort of your home, at the comfort of your house. You'll just be updating now. Anything you make or the changes you're making will be shown once you've shared the site. So basically, what we'll be doing, we'll be taking photos of our files, of our Cat 1, Cat 2 end term. Then we'll be uploading it to this site. It's almost like a website, but this time it's you who's doing the work. So it's a modern way, actually. It is Google site. It is called Google site. The best thing about Google sites, you can make it interesting. You upload your pictures, you upload your videos. For instance, if you are in a PCRM class where you are troubleshooting the computers, where you are assembling, disassembling, in core identifying those units, in digital literacy, you can take those pictures, upload them there. You can also take videos of you and your friends, upload them there. You can have a reflection page. That's what you've been doing over the course of your time as being in this school. You can have a page about career and goals. You can have career and goals. So pages to include in e-portfolio, it's almost like you entering into a website. There are pages which you'll have. So portfolio websites, you have pages in portfolio. Portfolio websites, you have home, about me, reflection, contact me page. If someone wants to contact you, you should have your number or your details there. So the first step is you go to Google site. Just go to Google, you type Google site. There's that organization I want you to have. I want you to arrange your files. You don't just put your files zikuwe all over the place. I want you to arrange somehow. So you just go to Google. If you can indicate some of these steps, it will be easier for you. And you might realize it can be hard, but it's not really hard. Some of your files, we'll use them for CDAC as a sample. So I'd actually want some organization. You don't want to include a lot of colors in these designs. So we have Google Sites. You just go to Google Sites. I want to be quick because this place has an exam later. But don't worry, we are doing a recording. So you just go to Google Sites. When you type Google Sites, you'll find a lot of things coming in this side here. You'll have blank sites, then you'll have the template. We've talked about template for ever since we started our digital literacy. We've talked about templates. Template, this is already designed. I want to sample some few here before we go to how to create it. We'll sample this one. This one was created. It has some organization. Wait, load. We find the name hapa juu. We have home. We have the units. Then we have term 1. Term 1 akona which unit? ES, DDL, PCRM. That is the organization. We have the reflection. Reflection, this one, you talk about what actually you've learned in this school, what you've gotten. We have also career and goals. Careers, what you want to be like. That thing. We have the media page. The media page, this is an e-portfolio should have a media page. At least you should have your videos, your photos, your YouTube uploads. You just include them here. Photos with your friends, photos at school, that's your media page. We have the contact me. If someone wants to contact you, they can come to this contact me page and then they see your details about contact me. This is where you can have your social media links, a social media, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, and everything. This is about me. About me page, you can write things about you. Just make it interesting. Then we go to home. About the home, we have I'm an information and ICT student, passionate about web development and graphic design. Yeah, you talk about yourself, about me hapo kidogo. We have the next page, we have the student ID. You need to include a student ID, take a picture of your ID and upload it there. So the most interesting part is the units. In units, some students have taken this idea they've used, maybe they are doing the DL, PCRM, so you actually realize they are taking a lot of spaces. But you include them inside units, include them inside term 1. So it's almost like it's forming a hierarchy. A hierarchy, sawa sawa? Yeah, that's the organization ningependa you follow. For instance, the hierarchy I'm talking about, we have term 1. Ukifungua ndani ya term 1, you find those units. So ukiingia, this portfolio, you'll use it up to mumalize. And if you are going somewhere, you can send them the portfolio. It's almost like a website. Simona imefunguka kama website. The only difference is that you are not paying for this one. It's free. It's almost like muna set up website, lakini nowadays, you set up a website, you're asked money for it. You are not required to have money. You just set up a portfolio. Sasa it's your student portfolio. If you are doing other things, if you are into skills, if you are into singing, you can create your other portfolio and then it showcases your work. Sawa sawa? During time. So even if you are asked somewhere, where is your document, where is your link, where is your site, you just send them this link, yeah? Anakuja anaangalia. If it's hiring manager, they're looking at your work, they're looking at reflection. But this one is falling under student portfolio. We have famous portfolios that are called LinkedIn. I've written bad. LinkedIn. I once told you about LinkedIn. You need to have LinkedIn. This one is more professional. This one is not like Instagram where you have your photos, your fancy lifestyle. This one is more professional. This one is for business people. You just need to go and create a LinkedIn account. You log in and you sign up. So the e-portfolio of Google site is different than the LinkedIn one. This one is more professional. This one is everything. But this one pia achieves that one. You remember we come to Google, we search Google site. That is the first step. You click that one. We have some students who have shared with me their portfolios. We have Carlos. I want to see what he has created. The only difference they've done, they've added me as an editor. And that's not how, if I'm to edit for all of your files, I'm tracking your moke. So we have Carlos I may share, but I think I'll also share the way to share, the right procedure of sharing. We have home, what he has done. I think he's still creating. So remember the other one, we had what? Units, about me. We had other pages such as reflections, careers, contact me page. So he's still creating. Meunda, you remember to have a header, about me hapa, a picture of you here. Then other pages to come. That's about it. Let's sample another one. Let's wait as it loads. You can check the published site. You can have the about me. The internet's a bit lagging kidogo. So you can just have your portfolio about anything outside school. Ama mmehack wifi yangu? Huh? So we can proceed. For instance, this one can be a portfolio. You can just be including other things. Remember to go to Google sites. The internet is a bit slow. So you go to Google sites. Then if you're starting from scratch, which I want most of you to start from scratch, just click blank site. In your blank site, it will say your page title. On top here, you write your name. For your title page, also write your name. Hapo juu your name. Hapa chini you press enter your admission, your class. Then admission number. As how it appears. So hapa we choose the image. I want to be very quick because there's an exam coming here. We choose an image, we change the header image. A lot of image will come from here. Just pick one which excites you. then click insert. So header type, we want it to be banner, not cover, not large banner, not title. We want header type to be banner. So on our right hand side, we have things like pages and themes. So when creating, you check on insert, you check on pages, you check on themes. We've done Word, we've inserted something, we've inserted pictures, clip art. So insert here, it works the same way. You insert text box, you can insert image, you can insert drive, things from your Google Drive. You can insert this one, image. You also have buttons, if you want to have buttons. So at your own free time, you can come and check these things here. So we have the insert below that one. So we quickly proceed. So you insert this one, you choose about me. You'll upload your picture from here. So you can upload or select image or from Drive. I want to be very quick. Another thing you add here is student details or student ID. That's about it. You are done with this first page. We have something hapa chini inaitwa footer. Footer, here write your name and your email and your phone number. Footer, you add your name. You remember the footer we talked about, and your phone number. That's about it. So when coming to pages, buttons will cover it different. Hizi zote tutakava kando kando. So when you come to pages, this one is the most interesting part you need to learn and to know. You come hapa chini, you click new page. Unakuja page. Remember we have insert, we have page, and we have theme. Theme is about the color, how you want it to appear. We have pages, we have home. After home, you click down here, new page. We add another page, maybe it's called units. For those who didn't do it this one, it's okay, you can proceed with the other. So in units, just click these 3 dots. Remember, make sure you're checking these 3 dots. This one gives you more option. You click add subpage. In add subpage, you can have term 1. You click done. Inside term 1, we click these 3 dots, we create a subpage. So this one is about your units. For instance, you're doing DL. You come back to term 1, you click these 3 dots, add subpage. Maybe you're doing PCRM. Click done. Unashinda umerudi kwa term 1. Don't come to this one, you'll add a subpage in PCRM. You keep coming back to term 1, add a subpage. Another unit you're doing ni kama gani? Come to term 1 again, click add subpage. So add subpage is creating the hierarchy. Add subpage, you can do maybe yes, that one. So if I close this one, they are inside this one, but they're also inside units. So units, term, and on that one. So I come to unit again, I add another subpage. Call it term 2. So I just want your organization to be that way. So in term 2, we have other units. For instance, other unit, we come to term 2, we click add subpage, other unit 2, that's about it. Then you close them, you collapse them, you can see them up here. I'll upload this video later. Come to units, click add page, create about me, add another page, career, click enter, add another page, hapo chini about me. We've talked about maybe goals. Come to goals, create another page called media. Then you can have another page, contact me. To move these pages, this is how you move them. You drag and drop. Remember the drag and drop feature. Just drag and you drop. If you want it to be inside the another one, you just drag and drop inside. Control Z, you drag and drop if you want it to be inside another, to be a sub page. You carry it, you bring it inside another file. So ndo hizi hapa juu, they have appeared hapa. We have home, units, so units utakuja upange vitu zako hapo ndani. You want to upload something in units. Unakuja kwa units, which unit do you want to upload? Maybe it's DDL. DDL, you come to insert. You always remember this feature, insert feature. Insert your pictures, you insert your drive, you insert everything. With Drive, this is where you'll be uploading your things. You have Google Drives on your phone. You'll be uploading your files, sending them to Google Drive. Before that, you make sure you are logged into your account. You are logged into your Gmail account. Always be using this Gmail account. Forgive me, you'll have to be quick. For instance, I want to publish this one. Remember, you always use this Control S, but this one we don't have the Control S. We have the publish feature. Sawa sawa. Every changes you make, you publish. You don't have to be sending me this link over and over again. So we are done. We are publishing. You click on publish. Write the name of your portfolio. You click publish. To share this link to your teacher, this is how you share. You click this one here, copy published link, then you copy this link. Send it to my WhatsApp. Just share or post that link to your portfolio, to our submission link. Sawa sawa. Everything, make sure you have this application. It's called CamScanner. Make sure you just publish. Every changes you make, you keep publishing. So if you've made changes, you don't have to